Welcome to our in-depth comparison video, where we pit three formidable contenders against each other in the battle for supremacy in the world of video editing: the MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 Max, the HP Envy x360, and the Dell XPS 17. These laptops each bring their unique strengths to the table, catering to a wide range of editing needs and preferences. By the end of this video, we'll uncover which laptop stands out as the ultimate choice for your video editing endeavors. So, buckle up as we dive deep into the performance, features, and overall suitability of these powerhouse machines, helping you make an informed decision for your creative pursuits. The Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 Max emerges as a standout option for video editing aficionados, amalgamating potent performance, refined aesthetics, and an unparalleled display. Anchored by the formidable Apple M3 Max processor and fortified with a GPU boasting up to 30 cores, this machine navigates through intensive video editing tasks with seamless grace. Its memory options, scaling up to 36 GB, ensure smooth multitasking and swift handling of substantial video files, while storage configurations of up to 8 TB offer a cavernous digital workspace. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, with its resplendent resolution and HDR prowess peaking at 1600 nits, bestows upon users a canvas of unrivaled fidelity, indispensable for meticulous editing endeavors. In terms of design, the MacBook Pro maintains its hallmark elegance and robustness, encased in a sleek aluminum chassis that exudes sophistication while providing enduring durability. Despite its slender profile, the device preserves commendable portability, facilitating editing endeavors beyond the confines of a traditional workspace. Connectivity-wise, the inclusion of a 3.5mm audio jack proves a thoughtful touch, catering to the needs of video content creators who rely on external audio peripherals or headphones for precise sound monitoring during editing sessions. Moreover, the seamless integration with Final Cut Pro ensures optimized performance and streamlined workflows, aligning seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem. Yet the MacBook Pro's supremacy in the realm of video editing is not without its caveats. Its premium price point may give pause to budget-conscious consumers, positioning it more as an investment for those deeply entrenched in the professional editing sphere. Additionally, during prolonged and intensive workloads, the laptop's fans may exhibit audible noise, potentially disrupting the immersive editing experience. Nevertheless, the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 Max perseveres as a formidable contender, offering a compelling amalgamation of raw power, exquisite design, and cutting-edge display technology. For professionals and enthusiasts alike seeking a superlative editing platform within the Apple ecosystem, it stands as a beacon of excellence, elevating the art of video editing to unprecedented heights. The HP Envy x360 emerges as a compelling choice for budget-conscious video editors, offering commendable performance and versatility without breaking the bank. Sporting an AMD Ryzen 7 processor with 8 cores and Radeon Vega 8 graphics, it delivers robust computing power suitable for video editing tasks, despite lacking a discrete GPU. The 16 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking, although the inability to upgrade may be a limitation for some users. The laptop's 13.3-inch Full HD WLED backlit touchscreen display provides a vibrant and responsive canvas for editing work, though it may fall short compared to larger, higher-resolution displays. Nonetheless, its portability and touch functionality make it conducive to on-the-go editing, allowing users to seamlessly transition between tablet and laptop modes. While the absence of a dedicated GPU may seem like a drawback, the AMD Ryzen processor holds its own in performance benchmarks, rendering tasks efficiently and outpacing some higher-priced alternatives. Additionally, the Envy x360's exceptional battery life ensures extended productivity sessions, a crucial factor for mobile video editors. Connectivity options, including HDMI and USB-C with DisplayPort support, enable users to connect external monitors or large screens for enhanced workflow flexibility. However, the lack of a docked stylus may disappoint those who prefer precise input methods for editing tasks. The Dell XPS 17 emerges as a powerhouse in the realm of video editing, boasting formidable performance, a stunning display, and sleek design aesthetics. Equipped with up to an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 to 4080 GPU, this laptop offers exceptional computing power and graphics capabilities, ideal for handling intensive editing tasks with ease. The centerpiece of the XPS 17 is its magnificent 17-inch UHD Plus display, boasting a resolution of 2400 by 3840, touch functionality, and anti-reflective coating. With a vibrant 500 nit brightness and a color-accurate IPS panel featuring a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, it delivers impressive detail and color reproduction, catering to the discerning needs of video editors. The display's 0.24 Delta E and wide color gamut coverage further enhance its appeal for professionals seeking precise color accuracy in their editing workflows. The laptop's design exudes sophistication, with a chassis crafted from machined aluminum and a keyboard surrounded by carbon fiber, ensuring both durability and comfort during extended editing sessions. Despite its sleek profile, the XPS 17 is relatively large and heavy, weighing 5.37 lbs, which may limit its portability compared to lighter alternatives. Additionally, while the battery life surpasses 9 hours, it may not be sufficient for prolonged usage away from power sources. One notable drawback is the mediocre 720p webcam, which falls short of expectations for a laptop in this price range. Furthermore, while the display is bright at 500 nits, it lags behind competitors like the MacBook Pro, which can achieve brightness levels of up to 1600 nits with suitable content. However, even the base configuration of the XPS 17 offers ample power for basic editing projects, making it an enticing option for users across different budget ranges. Overall, with its exceptional performance, stunning display, and premium build quality, the Dell XPS 17 stands as a top contender for professionals seeking a Windows-based video editing powerhouse. In conclusion, choosing the best laptop for video editing among the MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 Max, HP Envy X360, and Dell XPS 17 ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize unparalleled performance within the Apple ecosystem and appreciate the blend of power, portability, and a stunning display, the MacBook Pro 14-inch M3 Max emerges as a top contender. With its potent Apple M3 Max processor, exceptional graphics capabilities, and vibrant Liquid Retina XDR display, it offers a seamless editing experience tailored to the needs of creative professionals. On the other hand, if you're seeking a budget-friendly option without compromising on performance, the HP Envy x360 presents an attractive choice. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen processor and a responsive touchscreen display, it delivers commendable performance for editing tasks while remaining affordable for users on a budget. For those who demand uncompromising power and a larger canvas for their editing endeavors, the Dell XPS 17 shines as a powerhouse solution. With its high-performance Intel Core processor, discrete GPU options, and stunning UHD Plus display, it caters to the needs of professionals seeking top-tier performance and impeccable display quality. Ultimately, each laptop excels in its own right, offering a unique blend of features tailored to different user preferences. Whether you prioritize performance, affordability, or display quality, there's a standout option among these three laptops to suit your video editing needs.